point is Euler theorem for second derivative. So if u is a homogeneous function of degree n, u is a homogeneous function of degree n, then higher second derivative means x square ux x, that means 2 times partial derivative with respect to x, plus 2xy uxy plus y square into uyy is equals to n minus 1 into u. So the second derivative x square uxx plus 2xy uxy plus y square uyy equal to n times n minus 1 into u, if u is a homogeneous function of having degree n. Okay, so let's look at the question. Suppose u equal to x raised to 4 dot y raised to 4 upon x plus y. So it is a homogeneous function having degree 7, because numerator has degree 8, denominator has degree 1. So when it goes in the numerator, it becomes 8 minus 1. So degree of this function, homogeneous function, is 7. Then we have to find out x square uxx plus 2xy uxy plus y square uyy. We have to find out this value. So by Euler theorem, this is nothing but n minus 1 into u. N value is 7. So 7 minus 1, that means 6u. So it becomes 42u. Answer for this question is 42u. So please remember this formula for second derivative n minus 1 u. For first derivative n u. For second derivative n minus 1 u. Now one more. Suppose u equal to x cube y upon x plus y. Find x square uxx plus 2xy uxy plus y square uyy. Find out this second derivative. Okay, so first of all, degree. So degree of u is numerator degree 4, denominator degree 1. Because of addition, 1 plus 1, that means 1. So overall degree is 4 upon 1, that means degree is 3. So this thing by Euler formula, it is nothing but n minus 1 into u. N value is 3, 3 minus 1, that means 2 into u. So answer for this question is 6u. Now next point. Suppose u is not homogeneous or non-homogeneous, but small f of u is homogeneous. U is non-homogeneous, but small f of u is homogeneous. We have to find out this thing, x square uxx plus 2xy uxy plus y square uyy. We have to find out this second derivative. So here u is non-homogeneous, but f of u is homogeneous. So in this case, first you should calculate capital F of u, and it is nothing but n small f of u divided by f dash u. Okay, and we have to determine the second derivative. So the second derivative has formula. This thing has a formula, capital F of u into capital F of u minus 1 times u. Not u, only this much. Capital F of u, capital F dash u minus 1. Once again I will write. It has formula, the second derivative has formula, capital F of u bracket f dash u minus 1. So you are supposed to remember this thing. For second derivative, if f of u is homogeneous function, then second derivative formula capital F of u f dash u minus 1, where capital F of u is n f of u upon f dash u. So let's look at this question. Suppose u equal to log of x cube y cube upon x plus y. So this is a non-homogeneous function. Log is a non-homogeneous function because I cannot take k common. So it is a non-homogeneous function. But if I take antilog, so it becomes e raised to u equal to x cube y cube upon x plus y. It has degree, numerator degree 6, denominator degree 1. So it becomes degree is 5. Degree is 5. And we are supposed to find out this derivative. X square uxx plus 2xy uxy plus y square uyy. We are supposed to find out this derivative. Okay. So your small f of u here is homogeneous function having degree 5. So small f of u function is e raised to u. Then f dash u, derivative of e raised to u is again e raised to u. Then capital F of u. Capital F of u is n small f of u divided by f dash u. Small n is 5. F of u is e raised to u. F dash u is e raised to u. So that is nothing but 5. Then I will find out f dash u. Capital F dash u. So derivative of constant 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Okay. Then this second derivative has answer x square uxx plus 2xy uxy plus y square uyy equal to capital F of u bracket capital F of f dash u minus 1. So this is the formula. Substitute the value of capital F of u 5, f dash u value 0, minus 1. So answer for this question is minus 5. Okay. Once again quickly I will repeat Euler formula for second derivative. So if u is a homogeneous function of degree n, then this second derivative is given by n minus 1 u. So you are supposed to remember n minus 1 u, n minus 1 u. You are supposed to remember this. Then so we have seen this question. This is a homogeneous function having degree 7. So the second derivative is n minus 1 u. So 7 minus 1 6 into u, answer 742 u. The next question, u is a homogeneous function having degree 3. So this second derivative is n minus 1 u. So degree is 3. So 3 minus 1, that means 2 into u. So answer for this is 6u. Then next point, u is non-homogeneous but f of u is homogeneous. Then this second derivative is given by f of u, capital F of u, capital F dash u minus 1, where capital F of u is small n f of u f dash u. Small n into f, small f of u divided by f dash u. Okay. So this question, that this is a non-homogeneous function. So if I take antilog, so this becomes homogeneous function having degree 5. I want to find out this second derivative. So my small f of u is e raised to u, f dash u derivative is same, e raised to u. Then capital F of u is n f of u upon f dash u. So its value is 5. So derivative of 5 is 0, f dash u is 0. Then the second derivative has formula f of u, f dash u minus 1. I have substituted the value. I got answer as minus 5. Okay. Thank you.